So excited for this one. Let's do a full face of all new products, but we also have the new Huda Beauty powder to try. Just cannot wait to put this on my face, so let's get into it. For my base, I got a bunch of new Hourglass products. But first I'm going to try out the primer. I love Hourglass packaging. It just looks so bougie. It's on the skin. Oh, I love the texture of that. Hydrating, but it feels like it's going to mattify. Shiny my forehead is, and then we'll rub this in. This took away like most of that shine. I am so excited to try these out. Hourglass skin tint. So many people are obsessed with it. 2 shades here, 7 and 8. Let's see which one matches me. This is 7 and this is 8. I think I'm going to use 7. Begin blending this out. Very, very thin. Really pretty, don't get me wrong. Like, I actually love how that's made my skin look. For concealer, I was sent these from Max Factor. I've not tried any of their base products before. I could have done with lighter shade. I'm going to take shade 2N. Blend that out with this brush here. Okay, that blends out super easily. Super hydrating concealer. It's not the most full coverage. 1 shade lighter. I've actually probably picked up this concealer a lot more. I've been wanting to try this. I ordered this honestly like 2 weeks ago because I was waiting to do a full face of new products. By Mitchell Curve Case. Let's get this open. This is exciting. Let's get into it. Let's start with Hello There for contour. That's beautiful. See how effortlessly that blended in as well. Tap, 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 done. Everyone raves about shady business. I'm gonna dip into a little bit of that. No, love, love. Just jump right in and put the blush on my face right now. Perfect, like baby doll pink. Best thing Made by Mitchell was ever brought to the table. I'm going to use a little bit of a peachy shade up here. It's natural. Love the shade name. I don't know if my skin's ever looked this good. Guess what time it is? Powder! 3 shades here. We have Cherry Blossom Cake, Pound Cake and Cupcake. They sent me loads of powder puffs. Look at the heart one, the diddy one. These are the cutest things ever. Shade Cupcake. For the Easy Bake and Snatch Pressed Brightening Setting Powder. That is a bright under eye if I've ever seen one. I also like to bake on top of it. Obviously you could leave it like this, to be honest. It is covered in my under eye. Take my Cherry Blossom powder. I'm gonna set right over the top, because everyone needs these powder puffs. While this bakes, I'm just gonna do my powder bronzer and blush. I don't have any new ones to try, so I'm just gonna use the ones I'd usually use. Got these new Kylie Skin lip oils and I'm actually obsessed with them at the moment. Been baking for quite a few minutes. Go back in with the pressed powder now and just press in that bake. Gonna give us the most full coverage. If there was a word, flawless would be the one. I don't have a new setting powder to try, but I'm just okay then. Glow Milk from Amelia Olivia. It's just soaked my face. Every single product is binded and just worked like a little magical potion. I wanted to try this for a really long time. Drip Drip from Made by Mitchell. Everyone knows this has been everywhere. Whoo, that's gorgeous. Small fluffy brush. I'm gonna pat it on. Oh my god. Somehow, I think that's made it look even better. This win as well. I have these KVD eyeliners to try. It's beige and put that in my waterline. Didn't catch that one. That is super pigmented. Love that. Go with the Chromite Black. Looks like the colour of space. Little black winged liner, I think. It's one of the creamiest like kohl pencils I've ever used. So easy to work with. This could make or break it. We've got mascara. This is the Revolution 5D Whip Lift Waterproof Mascara. Curl my eyelashes like I usually would. I'm going to take off some of the excess right to the root. I don't feel like that's done a whole bunch. I let it dry, do a second coat and see the second layer of the mascara. And I'm actually really impressed. I really like it. It's added volume and length. Slay. The final look. I cannot wait to add all of these products to my daily routine because this looks insane. Another successful full face. Thanks for sitting here and watching me play with makeup. Love you. Bye.